Welcome to UNV How To series. In this episode, we're going to show you how to switch video format of analog camera easily through dip switch. We have dip switch beside camera power cable and BNC cable. The four modes here represent four video formats for analog camera, including CVI, AHD, CVBS, and TVI. Now with first button off and second button on. Camera is in CVI format. If we want to change to TVI mode, we need to change both the first and second button to off mode. Now let's log into XVR and check whether video format has been changed. We can see here the format has become TVI. So with this function, we can change video format of analog camera easily and conveniently.